Oh, assalamu alaikum, Safwan. So the fort is all ready. Now what do we need?
Snacks, Salon Bhai. I don't want to get hungry when we do that thing you said when animals go hide in caves. What was it again? Hibernate?
Hibernate, Safwan. It's pretty funny you said high bear weight, especially since bears are some of the animals that during the winter wait out the cold by going into a kind of sleepy mode where they don't move around or go outside to eat food.
Sometimes when my bed is really cozy and it's very cold outside, I just want to stay in my bed and sleep for longer. But then when my mom makes yummy pancakes, I just can't resist it, so I have to get up to eat it. And after my tummy is happy, I want to play with my friends, so I go and get ready for school and then go to school and have fun with my friends. What happened, Ruslan Bhai?
You just reminded me of something when you said friends, Safwan. We have to meet our Little Legends friends. We'll have to get back to the fort later. Anyways, I'll see you there, Safwan. Allah Hafiz. I wonder what happened to Barita and her little sister Sonia. Barita's usually here on time. Oh, assalamu alaikum, Barita. Are you there?
Sonia, can you please finish this last snack? We really need to start the program, and you know how tired you get when you don't eat. I know, but Budgie, my stomach is so small. I can only fit one snack at a time. Could we please just save it for later? Okay, this can be your survival snack. Okay, that sounds a good idea.
I'm glad you and Sonia have already had your food, because me and Safwan are going to meet our Little Legends friends. Come join us. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arslan Ahmed and I'm your host for Little Legends, a trivia game show for kids by kids.
And I'm Safwan Ahmed, Salon Bhai's junior host.
That's right. As you probably already know, we crowned a team the Little Legends Season 2 champions. Be sure to check out the other episodes to find out who won. But we didn't forget the younger Little Legends, and so now it's time for a special episode of Little Legends Juniors Edition. As always, I'll be joined by my regular co-host, Barita Qureshi, and her special junior co-host, Sanya.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Yes, this is so exciting. This is my co-host, Sanya. I know that we will learn so much and have fun with all of you today.
So, Barita and Sanya, who do we have on our show today?
Today, our amazing junior contestants are Team 1, Sadim and Barita. Team 2, Filza and Naya. And Team 3, Zaviyar and Saqib. Good luck!
That's right. Let's go meet our contestants. So come on, follow me.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله ربي زدني علما. Fight to get to know Allah. Allah has shown us brightness. The Quran is filled with guidance. Science and faith go hand in hand. See the beauty in God's land. Fight to get to know Allah. Start by saying Bismillah. You'll succeed inshallah. Sharing knowledge is the key. Here's a test for you and me. Fight to get to know Allah.
Assalamu alaikum to our Little Legends Juniors contestants, and welcome. How are you? Are you excited?
Yes!
Amazing. So am I. Assalamu alaikum, Safwan.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
All right, so let's dive right in. I'll explain the rules. In this game, there will be 3 different rounds. In each round, we'll have 3 questions. And each question will be asked to each team. Once I ask the question to your team and you know the answer, you can tell me the answer. If you answer correctly, you will get 10 points. But if you get it wrong, that's okay, because we will tell you the answer and we'll move on to the next question. In the end, there will be a challenge worth extra points. the winner will be those with the all-around highest score. But remember, the point of the game isn't to win, but to gain knowledge and fun. Let's begin with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes.
Our first round is called I'm a Muslim. This question is for Team 1, Sarim and Barira. What does the attribute al-wali mean?
The merciful.
Well, that's not the answer I was looking for, but that's okay. The actual answer was the true or best friend.
Little legends. Did you know that Huzur May Allah be his helper told us that we should be very wise when choosing our friends? This is because when we hang around with someone a lot, we start to copy them. So, he said, a good friend will have a good influence on one's character, but a bad friend will have a bad influence on one's character. So, we should choose children that have great behavior, who are helpful, kind, and loyal. Oh yeah, like the ones that play with you at recess, Budgie. Who are your best friends, Arsambai?
I am so lucky to have really good friends, but my best friend is the same as yours, Safwan's, and Barita's too. Should we tell her who it is, Barita?
Of course, Arsalan. Sanya, our best friend in the whole world, is Allah the Almighty. He tells us in the Holy Quran that He is the best friend of the believers. So, He is the friend that is always there, always helps us, and
gives us everything we need just at the right time, even snacks.
All right, Team 2, Filza and Nayel. This is your question. Please tell me who we are praying for when we recite the following Quranic prayer. Rabbir hamhuma kama rabbayani saghira.
Praying for our parents.
You got it. That's the right answer.
So I'm asking Allah Ta'ala to have mercy on my parents because they are kind to me and they take care of me and make food for me.
That's right, Safwan. We ask Allah Ta'ala to be really kind to our parents because they are so kind to us in all the things they do for us. It's like the best gift that we can give them in the whole world.
Team 3, Xavier and Saqib. What did Allah Ta'ala tell Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam to build to keep his followers safe from the great flood?
He built a boat.
Yes, you're right. It was a big boat called the Ark.
The Prophet Noah alayhi salatu wasalam lived a very long time ago and tried to help his people turn to Allah Ta'ala and be good to each other.
But some people did not want to listen to Prophet Noah alayhi salam. Allah gave them lots of chances, but eventually He just told Prophet Noah alayhi salam to build a boat called an ark, and all those who did not listen would have gotten caught in a great flood.
That must have been a gigantic sized boat, Barira Baji. I learned that they even had animals on board.
Oh, did they maybe have enough food? Well, yeah, they brought enough food and supplies to last them the amount of time that they were on the ark. It rained so much, and it took even longer for all the water to soak back into the ground.
That's really interesting, Barita. They must have had to stock up huge piles of food to survive. Just like squirrels who pile up food in the winter. All right, moving on to round 2, Magnificent Math. Team 1, Sarim and Barira. This is your question. How many planets are there in our solar system?
8.
You got it. That's the answer I was looking for.
That's a great question. Let me try to explain it to you. So you see, the sun is so big that all the planets in the solar system are drawn to it, and this makes them move around the sun. All the planets stay in their own circles around the sun because the sun's force of gravity keeps them in place. They keep moving around in the same way, and because there is no stronger force to make a big change in how they move, they don't bump into each other.
That's really cool information. Jazakallah, Ghazia. This reminds me of a joke. What's an astronaut's favorite drink?
I know this one, Arsalan Bhai. It's gravity.
That's right, Safwan. They drink it with their mooncakes. Yum.
Team 2, Filza and Nile. How many days are there in a calendar year?
365.
You got it, guys. Great job.
Little legends. Did you know that a year is the time it takes for the Earth to travel around the sun? A year is 365 and a quarter days. So, once every 4 years, we add an extra day to the calendar to make the difference. Sonia, do you know what this is called? Oh, I learned about this in school, Budgie. It's called leap year. So we got one extra day in February to make it all balanced out. Good job.
That's right, Sonia. Here's a quick trick to know which months of the year have 31 days. Make one fist with your hand and hold it out in front of you. Now going from left to right or from right to left, every time there's a knuckle, that month has 31 days. And when there's a space in the fingers, that month has 30 days, except for February, which has 28 or 29 days, depending on the year. So there's January, in between them, there's February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Jazakallah, Arsalan Bhai. I never knew I had the answers in my hands all along.
All right, Team 3, Zaviyar and Saqib. This is your question. How many quarters are there in $1?
25 cents.
Well, not exactly. There are actually 4 quarters in $1 because each quarter is worth 25 cents. So 4 quarters make up 100 cents or $1.
This question reminded me of the $10 I got the other day for memorizing the new surah.
Nice, Badia. Don't forget to read this prayer when you receive money for the person who gave it to you. Barakallahu fi ahlika wa malika, which means, may Allah bless your family and wealth.
Good reminder, Arsalan. Islam is such an awesome religion. Don't you agree, little legends? There really is a prayer for everything we need.
Let's go on to our next round, which is called When I Grow Up. All right, Team 1, Sadim and Barira. This is your question. When you go to school, you spend the day with me. My name starts with a T. Islam teaches to respect and listen to us. With us, learning and having fun is a must. Who am I?
A teacher?
You got it. That's the right answer. All right, Team 2, Nail and Filza. This is your question. I take care of many people, making sure they grow healthy and eat. I teach you the Quran and Hadith. Islam's teachings are complete. I love you very much, and the Holy Prophet ﷺ said that paradise is under my feet. Who am I?
Your mother?
You got it. That's the right answer.
Yum, is that biryani? Yeah, it is. I love biryani. I know, it's so good. That's why I love look at that. I'm just
so many things for us, you know?
Exactly. Like the other day, Ummi cleaned my room, even though before she had asked me to clean it lots of times. And then she still made us a big, delicious meal and filled our tummies. But what matters the most is that no matter what, big or small, she always helps us try to succeed.
Yeah, like math classes. They're very fun and very important. But how are we gonna get there if Ummy's not able to get there for us?
Same thing with schoolwork. How would we be able to succeed in school if Ummi didn't help us do our homework and help us understand? It's no wonder that the Holy Prophet ﷺ said that paradise lies under the feet of mothers.
That's true.
You're completely right, Rita and Sanya. Mothers are such a big blessing. A little legends. What is the favorite thing about your mother? Team 1?
Making food. Yeah.
Jazakallah. And Team 2, Filza and Nal?
Taking care of us. Yeah.
Jazakallah. And Team 3, Zaviyar and Saqib?
Play with us.
Jazakallah. All right. Team 3, Zaviyar and Saqib. This is your question. A healthy mind and a healthy body is the aim for both you and I. I volunteer with Humanity First and I help save lives. Who am I?
A doctor. A doctor.
You got it. That's the answer I was looking for.
Arsalan, didn't you mention that you wanted to become a doctor when you grow up?
Yes, Barida. I'm always changing my mind, but sometimes I kind of want to be a doctor.
When I grow up, I want to be an engineer, but since I'm a Vakfino, I'm going to talk to Hazur about that, and if he tells me to be a teacher or a doctor, then I'll be a teacher or a doctor. And if he tells me to be a doctor, then I can be a doctor that takes care of babies, and then I can be with babies all day because they're cute.
That's right, Safwan. Did you know doctors for babies are called pediatricians?
Exactly, Arsalan. And there are so many more different types of doctors. Like dentists who take care of our teeth, and optometrists who take care of our eyes, and physicians who take care of our bodies.
Wow, so many types of doctors. Oh, but which is the best doctor?
Well, Hazur Libya's helper has stated the importance of all doctors. Many Ahmadi hospitals in Rabwa, Qadian, and Africa are in need of Ahmadi specialists. So anywhere with Jamaat really needs any type of doctor.
Wow, so many different places. But do the doctors just go to, like, from Canada to all the places around the world?
Yes, Sanya. Hazur Ayatollah bin Nasr Aziz has said many times that Ahmadi doctors should sacrifice their time and use their skills to serve wherever there is need. So, little legends, do you guys know what you want to be when you grow up? Team 1, Barira and Sadam?
Teacher. A farmer.
And do you know why you want to be a farmer, Sadam?
Because we will not buy anything.
Okay, Jazakallah. And Barira, why do you want to be a teacher?
To teach everyone
Do you know what your favorite subject is, Barira?
art.
Jazakallah. Team 2, Filza and Nile.
I don't know what I want to be when I grow up. When I grow up, I want to be a type of engineer. The specific type is called an aerospace engineer. It means you help make rockets and things that go into space.
Jazakallah. And Team 3, Zaviyar and Saqib.
I want to be a pilot.
And Saqib?
I want to be a magician.
And Saqib, have you ever been on a plane and where you traveled?
Yes. I also went in a plane to go in Pakistan with my mom and dad a long time ago. Me too.
Wow, Jazakallah. That's very cool. So we're at the end of our question rounds. and now we're on to our fun challenge called Highest Tower. Using your paper plates and cups, build a really high tower. Start by placing a cup on the floor, followed by a plate on top of it. Continue alternating between the cup and plate until you have achieved the highest tower. You will have 30 seconds to make your tower. Once I say stop, you have to stop and move back. There is a slight twist to this challenge though. One member will place the cups and the other will place the plates. If a plate or cup falls down, don't worry. Just pick it up and continue your tower building. The team who builds the highest tower will get 20 points. The team with the second highest tower will get 15 points. The team with the third highest tower will get 10 points.
Are you ready, everyone?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله ربي زدني علما. Fight to get to know Allah. Allah has shown us brightness. The Quran is filled with guidance. Science and faith go hand in hand. See the beauty in God's land. Fight to get to know Allah. Start by saying Bismillah. You'll succeed inshallah. Sharing knowledge is the key.
Stop!
Here's a test for you and me.
Wow, that was a really cool challenge. You guys did amazing and showed some great teamwork. Mashallah. I was tense trying to look at all those tall towers. Everyone did a great job keeping them up. It's hard to keep balance. So Team 2 gets 20 points for the highest tower, and Team 3 gets 15 points for the second highest tower, and Team 1 gets 10 points for the third highest tower. Wow, amazing effort. Mashallah. All right, let's get back to business. Now let's check the scoreboard to see how you all did today. We had so much fun today. In third place is Team 1, Sadim and Barida with 30 points. Mashallah. In second place is Team 3, Xavier and Saqib with 35 points. Awesome, you did great. And first place is Team 2, Filza and Nail with 50 points. Barakallahu lakum. But since we all learned so many new things and had so much fun together,
we're all winners!
So, MTA viewers, that's it for our game today. We hope that you all had as much fun watching us as we had fun making it for you. For more fun games and trivia, visit www.mta.tv/LL. Stay safe, may Allah be with you all, and from us to you, until next time, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله ربي زدني علما. Fight to get to know Allah. Allah has shown us brightness. The Quran is filled with guidance. Science and faith go hand in hand. See the beauty in God's land. Fight to get to know Allah. Start by saying Bismillah. You'll succeed inshallah. Sharing knowledge is the key. Here's a test for you and me. Fight to get to know Allah.